When the sun come out in the morning, and me just can feel your body close. You were lying next to me the other night, baby. You never mention your name, I me never ask for your number. We want to see your face again some other time.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I'm gonna show you guys how I was able to slay this very beautiful boss braid wig. If you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends. So guys, I'm gonna show you guys how I was able to lay this beautiful boss braid wig. This is actually my first boss braid wig, so I don't know how I actually did with it, but I absolutely love this wig. It's from Neatandsleek hair company. As you guys can see, it's a frontal box braid wig. It has a lot of braid on it. You can actually wear it and style it anyhow you want to style it. You don't have to sit hours, you know, trying to get a box braid done. When you have a wig like this, you can definitely pop it up and you're good to go. I really love this wig and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And now let's just get into the video. Hi guys, so the wig came in through DHL. I'm gonna show you guys what the packaging actually looks like. So this is what the packaging looks like. I think it looks really beautiful. And this is what the wig looks like. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and apply my foundation on the lace front part of the wig to give us that natural scalp color that we want. So right here, I've done my bald cap method already. I'm gonna link a detailed video on how to do that in the description box below. So right here, I'm gonna go ahead and put on the wig. And then I'm gonna go ahead and cut out the spare lace in front. When you're cutting out the lace, just make sure you don't cut out the baby hair as well. You have to be very careful.
All night, we ain't riding on 22s. We saving.
So right here, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my got to be glued gel. Then I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face spray, and I'll allow it to dry with the air blow dryer. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put on the wig again.
Take you anywhere, you know it. Oh, you make me laugh. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place. I'm not the type's gotta have someone. I'm not the type's gotta be in love. I had a lot of people come and go, and plus anyway, I'm used to being solo. But it was good when you came to me. You were the one to make me believe that life could be better, that we can get by together. Come sit down, let's celebrate this love we found, 'cause we know this is.
So right here, I'm gonna go ahead and loosen the baby hair. Now I'm just cleaning my edges with Spirit. Anywhere I have that shiny look from the Got to Be Glue gel, I just like cleaning up with a Spirit. So now I'm combing out the edges. You can go ahead and tweeze out the edges if you feel that it's too much. Right here, I'm gonna go ahead and trim down the edges. So now I'm gonna go ahead and lay down my edges with my Eco Styler gel. After that, I'm gonna tie a scarf on it and allow it to sit for about 5 minutes. While I wait for it to dry, I'm gonna decorate my hair. I'm gonna put on some accessories. You guys know this is totally optional, but I just decided to put on some accessories. So right here, I'm gonna go ahead and take off the scarf. And yes guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is gonna be another Shein try on haul. If you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends. So guys, I'll be doing a Shein try on haul, and I'm also going to be trying on some things with my baby as well, which you guys are going to see in the try on. So let's just get into this try on. Guys, I'm going to start with this dress right here. It's just a beautiful, simple, long dress. I've actually gotten something like this before, and when I saw it, it really, you know, I decided to get it again because I really liked the one I got earlier on. And I really love the rubber band they have in the waist, which is going to make it to cinch your waist. I absolutely love the material they use, the design of the material, because when you wear this and you dress it up with like gold accessories, it's really gonna look so beautiful. And I got it in a size medium. So the next item I'm going to show to you guys is this beautiful, sexy looking dress. So this time I decided to go a little bit out of my comfort zone. I love the color. You can see the wine is absolutely beautiful, and I love the shape of the dress, the fact that it has a little bit of flare on the lower part, which will give you a very beautiful silhouette. So the next thing I'm going to show to you guys is this very beautiful jumpsuit. I absolutely love this jumpsuit. It has a mixture of white up here and then wine color, or red, I think it's red, on the lower part, and I love the way it fits me. I am 5'9", if you don't know, and the length is just perfect, and it has a side pocket, which, who doesn't want a pocket? Like seriously, you can put your stuff there, you can put your phone or whatever you want to put in the pocket. I really love this jumpsuit, and I got it in a size medium as well. If you know me, you know I'm definitely gonna get a jean from Shein. I absolutely love this jean. The fact that it's stretchy, the color, and also the ripped